mena saa na meta kama nyitane athuri ikaikarita hathuri Vai querer uma. Olha cara vai querer uma. God bless you. Karibu sana. Appreciate Bishop Ben again. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Asanteni. Asanteni. Nawe gathuri na atumia ngai amurathime. Thank you for respecting that man of God. Na ndia ngora haha ndamwita mathabahuni ni ndamba kumuonia njira ni ahetia tondu riria riga guku aingireire mwanya uyu he mwanya wari haha eheririe gicuka riu kumuonagia kawariganirwo ni haha anjiraga hatiari kindu niguo aranjira hatiari kindu no ngwendaga acokere uguo ni uraharirikana hatiari kindu na ne ajira ne atwendete na ne atutite. Thank you, God bless you. Na ageni akuothe na madam, all of you, God bless you. I'll be winding up so that we may have the bishop taking over. I was saying gutiri hagana kuga atiriri, when he came there was a kind of a wave all over. Na hede Ngai agakuhe a supporter in a position or in a time of waves, ukamenya mundu ucio no afata in any life you are. I agree tuli aini muno ithuothe taya marigaini yana atano no gutirurina gatongi kila mtu ni hiti kwa kivyake. That's how I can do it. That's how they can do. That's how the bishops and pastors who can do their works. Endelea tu kuleta wageni tu. Tunashukuru sana watu wa JCM wamekuja, wazee wengi na nimana adocio ni andu ogi ukiona mokite kwa jagitha-ini giki ni moi gutirarugagwo ugo ni moi moka gwika atia aya ni andu ogi aya ni moi aya ta bishop ameniambia ni toina ido. So as I finish, todo bishop nitukuhujetie tukwikite ma session magi now I will